Are you ready to be blown away by some of the most incredible machines ever built? If you're a fan of heavy machinery, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're going to show you the top 10 biggest bulldozers in the world. These are not your ordinary bulldozers. These are engineering marvels that can move mountains, literally. These bulldozers are the ultimate powerhouses of construction and mining. Do you want to know which bulldozer is equivalent to the weight of 122 average-sized cars and is as long as a school bus? Keep watching, you will be speechless. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the Litronic ZD220, a Polish-made bulldozer designed for extreme construction and coal mining projects. It weighs a whopping 67 tons and has a 15.7-foot wide blade with a capacity of 635 cubic feet. Its 515 maximum horsepower engine can reach a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. It has a blade width of 15 feet and can push up to 18 tons of material per pass. It also has a two-stage torque converter that provides high torque and low fuel consumption. Coming in at number 9 is the HBXG SD7K, made in China and designed for high work efficiency. Weighing 23.8 tons, it boasts an 11.5-foot wide blade and a 230 horsepower engine that can reach a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. It has a blade capacity of 6.4 cubic meters and a blade width of 11 feet. It also has a wet steering clutch and brake system that provides smooth and safe braking. Number 8. The Zoomlion ZD220, another Chinese bulldozer known for its high reliability and long service life. It weighs 23.6 tons, features a 12-foot wide blade, and is powered by a 235 horsepower engine, capable of reaching a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. It has a blade capacity of 6.4 cubic meters and a blade width of 11 feet. It also has a single-lever joystick control system that provides easy operation and comfort. Bulldozer number 7 is the LiuGong CLGB 320, a Chinese bulldozer designed for high-pulling forces. Weighing 38 tons and powered by a 349 maximum horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 14 kilometers per hour. This bulldozer is perfect for heavy-duty jobs. It has a blade capacity of 10.5 cubic meters and a blade width of 13 feet. It also has a 3-speed power shift transmission system that provides optimal performance and efficiency. At number 6, the John Deere 1050K, made in the United States and built for high productivity and durability. Weighing 42.8 tons, it features a 12.7-foot wide blade and a 300 horsepower engine that can reach 11 kilometers per hour. It has a blade capacity of 18 cubic yards and can push up to 9 tons of material per pass. It also has a hydrostatic steering system that provides smooth maneuverability and reduces operator fatigue. Taking the 5th spot is the Shantui SD90, the largest bulldozer ever made in China. It spans 37.7 feet in length, stands at 14.7 feet tall, and weighs 106 tons. Equipped with 900 horsepower, it can reach a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Plus, its low fuel consumption makes it an eco-friendly powerhouse. It has a blade capacity of 45 cubic meters and a blade width of 23 feet. It also has a hydrostatic transmission system that provides smooth and precise control. At number 4, the Liebherr PR 776 Litronic, a German-made bulldozer built for power in tough extraction sites. At 71.8 tons and with an engine packing 768 maximum horsepower, it's a force to be reckoned with. With a capacity of 776 cubic feet, this bulldozer is a workhorse that can go on for long periods without maintenance. It has a blade width of 19 feet and can push up to 22 tons of material per pass. It also has a continuously variable transmission system that allows it to adapt to different terrains and conditions. Bulldozer number 3, the Caterpillar D11, known for its durability and optimized performance. It measures a whopping 34.4 feet in length and weighs 104 tons. With an engine delivering 850 maximum horsepower, it can reach a top speed of 14 kilometers per hour. This bulldozer is perfect for handling heavy rocks and large amounts of coal. It has a blade capacity of 45 cubic yards and a blade width of 21 feet. It also has a load-sensing hydraulic system that adjusts the power output according to the load. Number 2, the Komatsu D575A3. This massive bulldozer is designed for unparalleled power and speed, measuring 38 feet in length and weighing a staggering 108 tons. With an engine boasting 1,150 maximum horsepower, it can reach speeds of up to 11 kilometers per hour. This behemoth is a game changer for large-scale construction and mining projects. It can move up to 90 cubic yards of material per pass and has a blade width of 24 feet. It also features an automatic lockup torque converter that reduces fuel consumption and increases efficiency. And finally, at number 1, we have the ACO Super Bulldozer, originally built in Italy in the 1980s. This bulldozer is 40 feet long and weighs 183 tons, equivalent to the weight of 122 average-sized cars. It's as long as a school bus and has a blade width of 23 feet. Powered by 2 Caterpillar engines, it delivers a total combined output of 1,350 horsepower. The ACO Super Bulldozer was initially destined for Libya's land development program in the early 1980s. However, worldwide trade embargoes on Libya made it all but impossible to do business with the country. As such, the dozer was never shipped and was left to sit in storage. It has never left its hometown in Italy and has never been put to its intended use.